Okay, Blinga. Thank you. My husband, are you ready? You have any pen? I really cannot find any of those stuff. You have any pen? Okay, get a little piece of paper. You have to write down all the information that I'm going to give to you, okay? Okay, I got the information. Ready, write down this. What? Okay, someone said when she was younger, she used to sell pussy in the street. She used to sell pussy. Okay? Alright, we'll have that. We'll have that when she was younger. When she was 19, she sold pussy to her. Alright, like the girl I say, when she did Will was the one who sponsored her. So we are going to get, so write it down. We're going to get GoFundMe for her. Okay? So whoever is in America, we can get their account and use their account. Because you know we're in Jamaica, so it won't work. We won't get the funds for her. So we are going to have to get someone to collect the money for Tamika Campbell so she can get some clothes. And also some shoes because her shoes, okay, it was stepped in some shit the other day. Okay? Alright, so we're going to do that so we can uplift her as a big woman because you know we are young and we look at her as our foreparents, our grandmother. So we have to, you know, right down the bomb, but me can't. Jaydenn right on the fucking city them good now.
No, see, right now, write it down.
Where fucking where they?
No, see, right now, write it down.
When I write, me can't believe I get my information him now.
We just get one new information. Me
Yeah,
case the Blinga can't go live.
fucking city no man.
Me write down this a new information.
Where they?
Me a hear say Miss Blinga can't come on live without fees. That me a hear.
Brother, write down the fucking city they were gonna use them after.
Alright. So write it down.
The way book then I write. Get the book now. Me bet me not suck your calculator. Get the fucking book. And tap ramp with me.